Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 13th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is kindness. Be Kind by Pat Zietlow Miller, illustrated by Jen Hill. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday, all over her new dress. Everybody laughed. I almost did too. But Mom always tells me to be kind, so I tried. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin? Let her borrow my sweatshirt? Spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? Maybe it's giving, making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi who lives alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. He might win races in them too. Maybe it's helping, putting dirty dishes in the sink. Cleaning up after Otis. He's our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe it's paying attention, telling Desmond I like his blue boots, asking the new girl to be my partner. Listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle, or saying thank you and bless you. My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Hey Kayla, what's new Omar? Good afternoon Rabbi Mendelbaum. Being kind can be hard too. Even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class. And paint this picture for her because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do. And together they could grow into something big. Something really big, so big that all our kindnesses spill out of our school, spread throughout town, travel across the country, and go all the way around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind again. And again. And again. The end. We're going to make our own splotch paintings. All you'll need is purple and green paint, a paintbrush, or you can use your fingers if you want. And your Craft-to-Go kit is just a big piece of manila paper. And all we're going to do is, like the little girl in the story, we're just going to make nice blobs out of purple. And then we're going to add some green to them to make them into lilies, or irises, or whatever flower is purple, violets. And that's all you're gonna do. And this is what my painting looks like. I just have a bunch of splotches that I added leaves to make them look like flowers, just like in the story.